Ever wondered why your Tucson's remote start just gives you the silent treatment? First, check if your car is locked. Most Hyundai Tucsons need to be fully locked before remote start works. Hit the lock button, then try remote start again. Still nothing? Your hood might be open, or the hood sensor could be dirty or faulty. Make sure the hood is closed tight. Next up, look at your key fob battery. If it's weak or dead, the signal won't reach your car. Swapping in a fresh battery could do the trick. Also, your Tucson won't remote start if the check engine light is on, or if there's a warning message on your dash. You'll need to fix that first. Don't forget, remote start only works if your car is in park, all doors are closed, and you're not too far away. If you're at the edge of the parking lot, move closer and try again. Lastly, if you've tried all these tips and it's still not working, it could be a deeper issue, like a blown fuse or a system malfunction. Time to call your Hyundai dealer. So next time your Tucson's remote start fails, run through these easy checks before you panic. Thanks for watching.